Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by profiling immediately. Open Roblox Studio, enable Micro Profiler and Stats, then record a short 10-30-second session while reproducing the lag. Once done, look for high-cost functions, long frame times, and memory spikes to know where to focus. You should separate server and client hotspots so you can test changes in isolation. Make sure to save a baseline recording for comparison. This gives you objective numbers to measure improvement after each change. You now refactor and reduce costs. Replace per-frame heavy loops with events or coroutines, cache lookups instead of repeated get calls, and simplify math where possible. Once optimized, batch network messages and debounce input so remote events aren't spammed. This reduces bandwidth and server load. Also, lower texture resolutions and use level of detail plus culling to cut draw calls. Make sure to test each change with the profiler so you can see the exact impact and avoid unintended regressions. You finish by validating. Run comprehensive playtests and compare new profiler recordings to your baseline to confirm improvements. Once stable, inspect server snapshots and memory graphs to catch leaks. Explicitly disconnect events and nil large tables to free memory. If performance worsens, roll back the last change and bisect recent commits so you can pinpoint the culprit. Make sure to iterate in small steps and keep measuring. Small, measured changes are how you safely reach consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.